What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm doing a little bit of catch-up work. I just got back from a holiday Christmas cookie cocktail party. If you want to see how I got this look, you can check it out here. This is the last video I'm going to film tonight, but I have HRUSH's Beauty Toolbox, her makeup brush set. I'm so excited for this. I did purchase this with my own money at the pre-sale. The box is gorgeous. All of her marketing content, the box looks either red or orange. So that's like the first thing I'm gonna address. The box is orange. I know, like on her site, on her Instagram, everything looks kind of red, orange. It's 100% orange. Like, it's orange. It's a beautiful orange color, and personally, I love that. I love the color orange. And look at how gorgeous these are. So I'm just gonna do like a quick review of them. I'm not gonna use them in this video. I'll film a separate video where I like use them all, but I just wanted to open them because they've been sitting here for a few weeks and I just can't help it. I can't wait anymore, so I'm really excited to get into it. Violet's watching a show. I told her I'm gonna be filming, so she's giving me like a few minutes to do that. Also, I have this really cute top. I did like a little purchase for myself from Jluxe brand. It's a company I've always wanted to order from, and this is one of the pieces I got. It comes with like a matching skirt set, but I just have the top on. I actually think I have the top on wrong. Maybe not, but I'm gonna rock it like this for the video because I don't feel like changing. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up in its entirety. Ooh, I'm so excited. It is definitely orange, but it does have like, it's like a red orange, and even this beauty card is more red than the actual orange they use for the packaging. How to remove your brush's head cover. Oh wow, okay. Okay, so it like gives you very detailed instructions on how to like take care of the brushes or how to like unbox them. She is not playing around with the craftsmanship on these. Beauty Toolbox Beauty. Toolbox Beauty was created from a shared vision where the artistry, design, and performance meet. This marks the beginning of that journey, and we're proud to share it with you. Crafted with intention, precision, our brushes celebrate the art of makeup for those who bring it to life. Developed in France and handcrafted in Mauritius, I hope I'm saying that right, they reflect our commitment to exceptional quality and artistry. We hope that you love them as much as we love creating them. The Toolbox Beauty team. Very exciting. Okay, where to start? I don't even know where to start. So I'm gonna start on the small end. Dual end precision contour. So all of them are labeled like what their use is. And even on the packaging, it like describes how to use the brush, like what the use is. So this is a multi-use dual end brush designed for flawless application of liquid, cream, powder formulas. Small contour, brows, lips. Oh my gosh, they put so much detail in the packaging. I'm honestly nervous to like even get into it. This is the first one. Wow, look at that. I'm so excited to try all of these. Next is the dual end concealer brush, the 206. Ooh, look at how detailed. And definitely orange, like these are orange. And I love that, I'm here for it. I'm not sure why on her actual Instagram page, everything looks red. It is not red, it's orange. Even every time I commented on her post, I would leave like a red and an orange heart because it was so hard to tell. They definitely lean more towards red on her edits, but they are 100% orange. Like, yes, orange. Okay, now the round blending eyeshadow. 203, probably one of my most used brushes in my collection, a fluffy blending brush. Just gorgeous. I'm keeping them back in the box so I can like re-reference the use of each brush when I like go to do a makeup look with these, which I will film before I like really get rid of the boxes and like get into using them full time. Next is the Tapered Blending Eyeshadow 202. Cute. A smaller blending eyeshadow brush to like pack the color in. Exciting! Then is the 201 Makeup Shader Eyeshadow Brush. Cute. This one's a little bit flatter. Just gorgeous. Brushes are some of my favorite things to receive in like the Ipsy boxes and the Allura boxes. So when I saw that she released this makeup collection, this makeup brush collection, I immediately pre-ordered it. I haven't actually purchased brushes in a long time. I've purchased like cheapy brushes, but I have not purchased like a full line of brushes. I'm talking like 10 years. So I thought I deserved it. Merry Christmas to me. And this is the 200 Precision Shader. Okay. That. And I'm not sure if like the shaft of the brush, it feels like, no, I guess not. It like feels metal, but I think it's plastic. It almost feels metal though. Okay, this is, I'm getting ahead of myself, the Makeup Highlight and Finish Highlight. Okay, so this is like a highlighting or like a finishing powder brush. So soft. Look at the shape of that. Just gorgeous. I've said that about literally every brush, but if you know, you know. If you get the excitement, you get it. And if you don't, I can't help you. Okay, this is the 106 Angled Powder Brush. Hi, baby.
Can I show you something?
Hi, baby. So this is the Angled Powder Brush. It's much longer fibers. Look how beautiful this is. What you need to show me, baby?
I'm going to show you something that I can make.
Next. Then is the 103 Dual End Powder Brush. It said to cut these sheaths off, but I just slid it off on the small end. See? Sorry. This is the Dual End Powder, all over setting, and then bronzer. So we have the powder, all over powder, and bronzer brush. And look at that. You see how free it is? Ooh, that's a good one. I'm so excited to try these brushes. I honestly don't want to put this one back in because I took the little protective sheath off of it. Then is the 102 Dual End Contour and Blush Brush. Ooh. Look at how, if you guys could just feel how soft these are. These are extremely well-made brushes. Yay! I'm so impressed. I'm such a freak for brushes, especially well-made ones. And orange, one of my favorite colors. In college, I did a whole series of like self-portraits, and orange was my like self-portrait color. So, and they weren't like physical self-portraits. I'm an abstract artist, so that's what they were. No confusion there. Anyways, this is the Dual End Concealer and Setting 101. Ooh, I've seen her do so many tutorials with this one, with the angled concealer. Ooh, that is dense. And the setting powder brush. I feel like I'm gonna use this one every day. And lastly, in this beautifully constructed collection, is the Dual End Foundation Brush 100. This is the Dual End Foundation Brush. The density, the softness. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, well, my memory card just filled up, so I'm gonna go ahead and like wrap this up, but I hope it recorded everything. I got through the final brush and then the memory card filled up. So that was my initial unboxing of HRUSH's Toolbox Beauty Brush Set. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you so much for watching.